Hello guys, today we are going to learn about web page developing, that is web authoring. That's there in paper 3.1, paper 3 practical test. Right now we are doing summer paper May-June 2014, and in that web page authoring. Here the questions start from page 2. The first step: create a new word processed document, and this will be an evidence document for this web authoring topic. So name, center number, candidate number appear in the header of each page. Save this document in your work area as J1431 underscore, then followed by the candidate number. This will need it later. Okay, let's do that first. Blank. So header, we have to go insert header. It has the formats, just take 3, select name, center number, candidate number, click outside. Fine. So this will appear on the other page as well. As we go down, second page as well, and we have to save this in our work area. First of all, work area, that's 3.1, and here J1431 underscore 123 as a Word document. We have to save it. This will need it later. Fine, just to minimize and keep. Yeah, we can just highlight it. Here, locate and download, we already have in our folder. We just already downloaded all these 1 2 3 4 5 6 files in our folder. Let me show you in the see all these files. This I will leave it in the description box. You can just download this. Okay, now let's go to the question. You work for a company called Hot House Design. You will create a style sheet and then edit a web page which promotes the Manta Conservation Project. The style sheet is the one where we describe how any web page should look like. So style sheet is nothing but we call it cascading style sheet, css.css. It comes with the file name. So this contains the description, means all those formats, how any page should look like. So the style sheet and markup must work in all the browsers. All styles must be applied through and attached to CSS and not as inline styles. All color codes are in hexadecimal. Yes, here are this hexadecimals. 16 of raised to the power of 16, that is hexadecimals. So they and RGB, red, green and blue, in this order, in this format they give the color codes. Here, create a style sheet, a single style sheet called tmcp.css using the following styles. So now today right now we are going to start a CSS. For that, we have to open MS front page 2003. Here is the one. Front page 2003. Just close everything. This is HTML file. Close and also close everything. So to open any CSS file, new file, go to File, New. Here a side pane appears where click on More Page Templates. In this, go to Style Sheets. Here normal style sheet, it's selected. If not selected, then OK. You can see that new page 1.css. So here where we set the description for the new web page, and the name is being told which one we have to take, TMCP. Just select here, right click, save. It comes TMCP, and we will save in our folder only. I'll save it in our folder. Here, save. Yes. Now let's go to the question. Yeah, all these in the table they are the styles. Body is the page. The web pages complete the white area of web page. Tiled using the file a picture. So let's go now. Let's arrange the body. For that, go to Format, Styles. Here always select from the list HTML tags. Now select body, modify. So background we have to set background, and we have to attach one picture. Format, border. Under shading, here you can see at the bottom background picture. Just open browse. We have to go to our folder. Go to your folder. In that we find, what is the name? What's the name? j1431pg.jpg. This one. Fine. Okay. 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 Look at here. We got the first style sheet description of body. Now click at the last and press enter. We have to go to the question. H1 heading, the first heading it is. Here the second one, the question here. The second H1 heading. This is the highest, the biggest size heading on the topmost line in the body of the web page. So it got a font face, alignment and size. Font face is something Arial and default is sans serif. Alignment center, size 32 pixels. And at the bottom we have a color components of H1 the highest heading got a 0040. This is 000040 RGB, red, green and blue. So here format, styles, under list HTML H1. Here font face first, under font format, font. Here Arial, we have to pick Arial. Then size is 32 pixels or pixels. And here font color we have, yes, font color, under color, more colors. Just take anything here, hexadecimals. So we get having double digits. So here it should be what? 00. Second one also 00. And third one is nothing but 40. Yes. Okay. Then okay, we have one alignment from paragraph. So under alignment we have 4 in this select center. Okay. See, here is the one, H1. Just click enter, press enter, and here we have what's that? Default is sans serif. See, under font family we have 2 fonts we're going to mention. So we have to give a comma, but every feature is separated by a semicolon. Over here, if you see font size, then color something, then text align something. So here, since we have 2 fonts, font names, font faces, so we are going to mention like this: sans hyphen serif. Clear? Next one, let's go to the question paper. H3, the medium size of the heading, font face, the browser serif, alignment fully justified, size 16 pixels, and here we have color code as well, 404000. Here again format, style, we have HTML tags in this H3, and the format, font, here which one we have? 16 pixels here, 16 px. And color code we have, go to more colors, and here we got what is the color code? 404000. 40 00. Okay, then what else we have? Serif font, will just mention it manually. Then we have alignment under paragraph, alignment justified. Okay. Just click enter. Here font size 16 pixels, but we don't have font family, so here we can pick from here, copy, just place it over here, and this should be a semicolon, but here instead of Arial we'll change to serif. Perfect. Next, now P for paragraph. P got its own paragraphs, font face, alignment and size as well. Yeah, it is exactly like a H3. P got anything? Yes, even it got a color code as well. Yes, so we'll just repeat same H3. Go to format, style. Now it's P for paragraph, just P. Yeah, under format, font got 12 pixels, and color we have what's the color code 0080 0080. Okay, then alignment we have paragraph alignment is justified. Okay, anything we have more into this? Justified, fully justified, sans serif. Okay, so click enter. Again, font family, just copy this, bring it here. It is sans serif. Then give a semicolon there. Okay, just keep on saving the work. Now, if this is a list, li tag is for the list. It's a numbered list, and numbers should start from 1. Alignment is left. Any li got any color? No. Fine, number list it is. Starting from numbered list, starting at 1, and alignment is left. So click enter. Format, style. Here under list HTML tags, go down to list. Yeah, here under format, numbering. Yes, we have a picture bullets, plain, and now since it's of numbers, click numbers, and it should start from 1, so select the second one. Okay, fine. And under paragraph, alignment is left. Okay, clear? Yeah, we're talking about now table. Table is a table tag itself. Table got a table tag, HTML tag, and it got borders, all collapsed, solid lines around the table, and external that solid line got a 3 pixels of width. Internal grid line width is 1 pixel. See, if this is a border, is around where my cursor is moving, so this is the external line, and inside these horizontal and vertical lines are internal grid lines, so that got only 1 pixel. And the table's width is 600 and height is 300. Now if you see at the bottom, we have a table, external borders color we got, and a table's background. See, if this is a table, what you see background, this is just a white background it got, right? If we give any color to it, it'll just get like this background color, this one. And internal grid lines color also it got. Here format, style, go to HTML tags, and table, go to table. Here is the one. First we'll go for borders of the table. Box we have to select because outside the outer border, and it got a color code. Let's go to more colors, click, and what is the color code? FF00. Here FF 00. Okay, now it got a 3 pixels as well. px will add there, and no padding, just since it's not mentioned anything about the padding. Padding is the space around the text inside one cell of the table. Okay, in table we have cells, right, grids, right? So if insert one any value in that, around that value, what is the space, left side, right side, top, bottom, the space, that is called padding. So there is no padding, so click OK. Now what else we have to go for? Next, background color, background color, and we have to even set the width 600 300. Here, format, position. Here this is the width of the table. Here it's 600 pixels, and this one is 300 pixels. Fine. Now we have the background, right? So go to borders, background, the color, shading. Here is a background color. Go to more colors. Here, what is the code? 6E85 9F. 6E 85 9F. Let me just confirm once. Yes. Okay. Fine. It's done. It's done. It's a table here, and we have to mention one. That is what? Just get it the same every statement. Border collapse. Here it is, all collapsed of the borders. So here, just to give a semicolon, we write border collapse colon collapse. This done totally. Table, we have more here. This is what of TD. Okay, this all done. This is done, and this as well done. Now about the internal grid lines and its color. That is with TD tag. Now another separate tag. Format style. We'll go for HTML tags, and here it is TD. Okay, and here what we have, the borders. Border, we have 1 pixel px, and we have a colors. What's the color code here? FF00. Here FF00. Okay. 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 Yes, this is what the complete table, the style sheet. We covered everything here, internal grid lines as well. Find how many tags we have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7th TD. So just 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tags with all the styles. Just save your work once. Question paper, Next question number 4. Open the web page j1431.tmcp.htm in your web editing software and attach this style sheet to this what we have created. Now here, first we can close this file, open. Here, which one we have to open? This one, J1431 TMCP. Just open the design of it. And to this we have to attach our style sheet. Format, style sheet links, add, where, yeah, this is TMCP. See, we can see there file type is CSS. So just click. Okay. Yeah, it's added here. Okay, done. Now next, edit the HTML page attribute for j1431ray.jpg so that it is 300 pixels wide and 300 pixels high. Do not edit the original image. Case number 4 we can highlight. Now edit the HTML image attribute for this. Okay, let's go to here. This picture we have to edit this ray. How much they want? 300 pixels wide and 300 pixels height. Right click on the image, go to picture properties. Here specify size, check it, 300 pixels. Yes, and this also 300 pixels. See, just uncheck this first. See, automatically it is changing. If we enter a height, width is changing automatically, so that we have to change it. So for that, just uncheck this aspect ratio, then it will be 300 pixels. Okay, done. Next, set an attribute for this image to specify the text Manta image if the image of this ray is not available. This is one important property of the image, where this is called alternate text. alt is the tag, HTML tag for it. Alternate text it is, where in case due to internet issues, if the image doesn't appear in the web page, the name, the text appears of that image. So what you want the text to be in case if the image doesn't appear, that is called alternate text for the image. So that we have to set now. They wanted Manta image. Right click on the image, picture properties, general. Here you see the text. What's text? Manta image. Yes, the text. Okay. Now if you see how the alternate text is appearing in the code, image src is the source, height, see here, alt, alternate text, Manta image. This is all the code. It is automatically setting up as we edit the web page. Now the design. see the work once, back here. In the next, in the text that ends holiday company or by clicking here, make only the words click here a hyperlink to open the web page, this in a new window called Manta. Okay, we have to find where the text is. Here, holiday company or by clicking here, you see there, this is the one where my cursor is. So right click, hyperlink. It has to open a web page, right? Web page, open a web page, this, open a web page, just copy here existing web page address, paste here, new, and you see there in a new window called underscore Manta, copy here, that will be, it is called target frame, and paste under that underscore Manta. Okay, you see that some underlining came. This is called hyperlink, blue in color as well. Next, sixth is done. In the text that starts email as for details of our Manta, make only the word email a hyperlink to send an email address, email message to this address with no subject line. Yes, let's copy this. Here, where is email? This is the one, email. See there, email. Just only that word. Right click on it, select right click, hyperlink, and here email. Now email. Just paste that email what you brought from there. There's no subject line, nothing. Just click. Okay, we got a hyperlink over there. Fine. Next, seventh is done. In the same paragraph, make only the text, click on this link, a hyperlink to send an email message to this with a subject line. Now we have to add a subject line. So this one, let's take, copy this, Control C, and where is that? Click on this link. Click on this link. Yes, this is the text. Click on this link. Where is that? Yeah, here is what. Click on this link. Right click, email address we got, and there is a subject line as well. Now, donation by, followed by your name and candidate number. The subject line, donated by, donated by, okay, and candidate number. Okay, just save once, Control S. Yeah, question number 8 is fully done. Place a copy of this HTML source in your evidence document. Fine, we have evidence document. It's a source. Okay, it's source. Just go to code at the bottom. 4 views are there: design, spread, code, and preview. So here's code. we got all this done automatically. See, yeah, this whole code we have to place in our evidence. Just we create in the beginning the evidence. Copy this, Control C. Now we'll go to the folder. There's a folder. Where is the evidence? It is set to take a name. Here is the evidence. Yes, so just please right click, paste that. Fine, this is the code. Save. Next, this is done. Save your web page. Open this web page in a web browser. Place a screenshot of this web page in your evidence document. So this is our first evidence. We can see, yes, evidence 1. Now another evidence we need, evidence 2. That is by opening the page in web browser. Versus this one, we have to open with web browser. We'll go for, yes, Internet Explorer. Sorry, this is the one, right? Ours, sorry. Open, yeah, this way. This one, we will take a screenshot of it. Sorry. This is the whole area of the web page. Copy. Now, but underneath this, we'll just open evidence and place it Control B. This one. Don't cut short any titles and all. Fine. Now, anything more? We have, yes, this is also done. Place a copy of your style sheet in your evidence document. Fine, we'll open our style sheet. That's here. It's here. Just copy this whole thing, Control C, and we have to place it in as evidence. Evidence 3. Yes, just give one space each so that it will be clear. Fine. Perfect. Save it once. Now let's go to question on paper. Yeah, place a copy of it. This is the last question. This is another one on the topic. Yeah, it's done. Evidence, you see, once is the evidence. We're supposed to get like this. Two pages. Yes. This is the final evidence document with the style sheets. Done.